Hello friends. Today, I will guide you on how to add a new password in the Google Password Manager. You don't have to worry at all about saving your password in Google Password Manager because your password will always be safe and secure here due to the trust in Google, and whenever you want to edit or delete your password, you can do so easily. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open your mobile settings and then scroll down to the Google option and click on it. Here you have to wait for a few seconds. Alright friends, if you have more than one Google account and you want to know which account has saved which password, then you can change it from here and see it. Now move to the All Services option on the right side, then click on the Autofill option and again click on the Autofill with Google. Finally, click on the Google Password Manager. Now you can see that the apps whose passwords have been saved by Google are visible here. To add a new password, click on the plus sign in the first option. Now enter the app or site name for which you want to save the password, or you can also click on the Select App option to choose any app from your mobile. I am selecting the PayPal app here. After that, enter the username and then enter the password below. Finally, just click on Save in the top right corner. Now you can see that I have added my PayPal password to the Google Password Manager. But if you want to edit or delete the password from here, you can also do so by just clicking on the Edit and Delete buttons here. So this is how you can add your password to the Google Password Manager. If you have any queries left, please let me know in the comment box.